Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to use java.util.date class. For using this one, I am showing you the API. That means currently I am using Java Platform Standard Edition 8 documentation. From that one you have to go to Java SE API. Now the date class is available in the util package. Now you have to select the util package. The util package is now this is the util package. That means the util package is shortly comes from utility package. That means java.util package is fully known as utility package. From that one we have to verify the class is date class. Now here it is the date class. From this one I am giving the description. That is, the class date represents a specific instant in time with millisecond precision. Later I will check the available constructors. For that one, click on this constructors. It will gives you the constructors and its description. First one is the date. Next, second one constructor is a date with year, month, date, but it is giving an instruction as deprecated. Similarly, another constructor here, year, month, date, hours and minutes, it is also saying deprecated. Next one, year, month, date, hours, minutes and seconds, it is also giving a deprecated. But here this is the non-deprecated API. Deprecated in the sense the deprecated API, either constructors or methods, are not recommended to use. That means deprecated API is having the bugs or better alternatives has been provided. So the documentation is saying better to use the calendar class instead of date class. Now I will make another video on the calendar class, but now you can check the code on this date class. For doing that, we have to go to the methods. Now here we have the various methods. First, after method, test if this date is after the specified date. Then it will gives you a boolean expression either true or false. Similarly, we have a before method. It is also gives you a boolean expression to test this date is before the specified date. Later we have a get date method, get day, get hours, get minutes, get month, but most of these APIs are deprecated. Anyhow, we will get the example or on this particular date class. For doing that, I am using the Eclipse IDE. In this Eclipse IDE, I am creating a class. The class is I am using in this package. Now use date demo. In this one, first you have to import the package java.util package. Next one, write the main method, that is public static void main. Here I used a shortcut key for main method. Next one, create the object of date d equals to new date. Yes, it is creating the date object. Try to print its date, that is I am using full date is plus d. Try to run this. We are getting the full date is Tuesday, March 30th and so on so time. Next one, I want to get some other information like today's date. That is today's date is plus d dot get date. It will get the current date. Now you can verify that here it is underlined with the yellow color. That means here you can check this one, the method get date from the type date is deprecated. It is giving a warning in the Eclipse IDE. Next one, I want to get the year. Use year plus d dot get year. Next one, I want to get month. Use month is plus d dot get month. Later use hours, that is hours plus d dot get hours. Next, print minutes. For that use minutes plus d dot get minutes. Next, try to print seconds plus d dot get seconds. Later I want to print the time in local format, date and time. For that, using toString. In the string format I am printing the date and time. For that you have to call the method d dot toString. It is printing a date in the string format. Next one, I want to print the date and time in GMT format. For that one I am using GMT date and time, that is plus d dot to GMT string. It will be prints the date in GMT format. Next one, if you want to get the weekday, that is weekday is plus d dot get day. Now you can verify that all the deprecated API is striking in the Eclipse IDE. That means it is the deprecated API. Now try to run this one. Here you can check this is the full date. Next, today's date is 30th. Next year it is giving you 121 because it subtracts minus 1900 from the 2021. That next one, month is 2. That means here in the Java, month will be starts from 0 to 11. That means 0 is the January, 11 will be the December. Next, if you want to get this one as a complete full year, for doing that you have to add 1900. That means I am giving plus 1900. Again I am executing this code. Now you can check, year is showing as a 2021. Next, hours, minutes, seconds, it is the actually local format. And next one, this is the GMT format. For the GMT format our time is in the 5:30 hours plus. Next one, I said this is the weekday is 2. Like that you can print the date from the java.util package. I hope you enjoyed the code. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.